it.
Yes.
So meaning I'm still going to have the same journal. Okay, but that journal, I will call it Are you with me?
Yes.
It's the same thing. So supplementary means, let's say you as an accountant so far, you compiled the business cash book, you ended here, that's the balance.
Yes.
So by supplementing, in other words, sometimes after balancing, you can find that you have got the other information that came after you have balanced. This means you have to continue from where you ended.
Okay.
Are we together? So
Yes.
there are two options of which they allow. You either copy everything in this supplementary and add the other information, or you can start where you ended. What I prefer to do is to start where I ended. What I can just do, I'll just come here, for example, here. This is the balance, and then I will just come and put it here. I prefer this method. It means I'm going to start from where I ended. It doesn't change anything.
Okay.
So I just continue from where I ended and do supplementary transactions. But if you want, you can copy everything and put it there. It doesn't make any difference because even the balance won't change. Here, it's advisable to just start with the balance. I don't know if I'm making sense or not.
So you're saying that the BCB is the same as a supplementary cash book, and then you have to add other things, or you can start from the balance that you ended, which is 357,000.
Yeah, you can start from 357,000, but some people, if you don't want to start from here, it means you have to copy these transactions as they are and put it there, and then after put another information. But I don't prefer that. It's just too much admin. Just start from where you ended and you continue. It doesn't change anything. Either way, it doesn't change.
Yes.
Are you okay now?
Yes.
It's not like you're not okay. I'm just asking, okay? No problem. Okay, now, after that, we need to come here. We have got what we call the bank statement. Ne? Can you see the bank statement? They give us the bank statement and the debit and the credit. I think you and I understand the bank statement. We know how to read. Otherwise, people will steal our money. Okay. Now, we have got what we call the additional information. They're talking about the bank balance that we were talking about. Can you see now at the end?
Yes.
In a nutshell here, they mean the bank statement balance. Don't be confused. This means bank statement balance. Bank statement balance. Are you with me? They're not referring to the bank account that we open in the books. That's why if you can go and check it on the bank statement, these amounts are the same. Can you see here, the last balance here is 409,550 and here is 409,550. They're just talking about that balance.
Okay.
Are you with me? And then I want you to write this thing down. The end balance of the bank statement will always go to the bank reconciliation statement. Did you hear what I said?
The end balance on a bank statement will always go to the bank reconciliation statement.
Yes, it will never go to the cash book.
Okay.
Yes. Only the one at the beginning. Let's say if you can go to the bank statement, if you can check the balance that we started with up there, is the one that will go to what? To the bank account. So the bank account, we take the bank account I'm referring to the cash book. If they didn't give you the balance, we'll just take this 500. Remember, you wanted to give me the balance there. I said no.
Yes.
So meaning when we started, we did not have any balance from the previous period. We had this deposit of a capital here. That's why here we have got this amount. It's the same amount in other words here.
Okay.
Yes. So please don't forget, because people sometimes don't know which balance to transfer to the bank reconciliation statement. So you must know that always the end balance. Are you with me?
Yes.
Now, Can we analyze the other additional information?
Yes.
They say you find that a payment by Zama is 5,300, not 3,500. Can you see now?
Yes.
I don't have to worry about this because I'm still dealing with what? Business Cashbook. Zama, like we said on top. What did you say about Zama? Zama was supposed to go to the trust cashbook. So they are saying that, so I'm not dealing with the trust cashbook. I cannot even correct the mistake. For now, I will ignore this part. Are you still with me?
Yes.
Because they're speaking about Zama, and Zama, that amount is the trust money. I can't put trust money in the business cashbook. So I will ignore that one. Now, they say a direct deposit of 15,000 does not appear in the cashbook. Are you with me?
Yes.
So they are referring to a direct deposit can only be found in the bank statement. So you can see this, they are referring to this 15,000 here. Can you see this 15,000?
Yes.
It is reflecting on our bank statement. They say not yet reflecting in our books. So meaning we must go and record it in our books.
Okay.
Even if they didn't, remember all that direct, if you are dealing with the bank reconciliation statement, all the direct deposit will always go to the cash book. Why? Because already they are appearing on the bank statement.
Okay.
Is it a receipt or a payment, direct deposit?
Receipts.
Under which side do you expect me to record it here?
Debit.
Perfect. I'm coming here. Direct deposit. Please talk to me if you need help for now.
Okay.
We must always know that direct deposit must always be transferred to the cash book if it is not in the cash book, okay? Are you okay so far?
Yes.
No problem. So we have dealt with the additional information now. But it doesn't mean that we don't have any other information. Sometimes we have got information still to be recorded, but that information is not part of the additional information. That information can be part of the bank statement.
Okay.
Are you with me? So if you can check up from the bank statement, we have got other information that we have recorded already. Can you see we Sanlam, Canaan, Macro, Walton, we recorded already. Can you see now? We don't have to worry. Telcom, we recorded. Cancel, we recorded. Sheriff, we recorded. Salaries, we recorded. But there's one that we did not record, which is always part of the cash book. What can you say here? Which one do you think is part of the cash book and we still have to record? And we didn't record it.
Bank charges.
Bank charges. Perfect. So I will go and record bank charges under which side of the supplementary cash?
Credit.
Credit. Thank you so much.
Bank charges go in a supplementary cash book and not a bank reconciliation statement.
Perfect.
Okay.
At all times. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Do you feel like you're getting there at least?
Yes, I am.
No problem. So if I check everything so far, there's nothing else that I need to adjust. So what I'm doing at the moment here, I'm adjusting the previous balance, which is 357. I'm adjusting it. What is to adjust is either to increase it or to decrease it.
Yes.
The other information is already there in the 357. That's why I cannot record them again, because I know that they're part of that. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
The only thing that is left now is to balance our supplementary business cash book. The same way we balance the other one.
So I must add the balance and the direct deposit.
Yeah,
on the
because
one
that's the
side.
biggest side. Yes, perfect. Because this is the biggest
And
side.
then
Okay, thank you.
and then you get on the debit side you get 372,000.
Thank you so much. And then I'm also gonna put it on the other side.
And then the big minus the small side. Yeah.
How much?
369,000.
Thank you so much. Don't forget to bring it down. Talk to me if you're lost. Say something.
I'm fine.
You're fine for now. So it means so far we answered 1 up to 4 here. Yes, we prepared this. So I left with what? The bank.
The bank report.
Yes.